Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'd like to present 3 small cap pharmaceutical companies that you should consider buying. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification because I do research in the stock market so that we can make money together. Now let's get on to this video. Another day, another yield battle. The Dow was down 234 points, S&P 500 down 2 points, Nasdaq was up 99 points. The bond market went on a wild ride over the last 24 hours, with the 10-year Treasury yield shooting up 11 base points to a 14-month high of 1.75%, before ending the session at 1.72%. The move weighed on equities, especially the tech sector, with the Nasdaq tumbling another 3% on Thursday to re-enter correction territory. It didn't last long. The 10-year yield then fell back 4 basis points to 1.68%. What's going on? Some are attributing the movement to the differing reactions of bond market players. At first, they focused on the Fed's no hike through 2023, but then absorbed its plan to let inflation run hot. In reality, the volatility may just be a broader symptom of Treasury market unpredictability. Investors don't like uncertainties, and markets definitely don't like uncertainty. And until we reach a border consensus over how the inflation equation will play out, we could see unstable moves in every direction. Today, I would like to briefly go through 2 of my favorite stocks, SENS and BNGO, and then present a new small cap pharmaceutical stock, CFRX. SENS. I presented SENS at least twice in my previous videos. For the background info on SENS, please watch my previous videos. Because of the current market environment, SENS also is very volatile now. Looking at the chart, the high was at $5.56 on February 17th of this year, and it has been kind of downtrending right now, but we are seeing this promising consolidation sideways. Today it is at $3.28. It is up 10.07% this Friday, March 19th, and we should be looking for a good run from SENS. According to Zacks, investors in SENS holding need to pay close attention to the stock based on moves in the options market lately. That is because April 16th's $4 calls had some of the highest implied volatility of all equity options. Implied volatility shows how much movement the market is expecting in the future. Options with high levels of implied volatility suggest that investors in the underlying stocks are expecting a big move in one direction or the other. It could also mean there is an event coming up soon that may cause a big rally or a huge sell-off. Given the way analysts feel about SENS right now, this huge implied volatility could mean there is a trade developing. Oftentimes, option traders look for options with high levels of implied volatility to sell premium. Therefore, SENS may go to $4 quickly the next couple days or may drop because of options call. Pay close attention to it. One of my favorite stocks, BNGO, as I presented in my previous videos, BNGO, like SENS, had a high of $15.69 on February 16, 2021, and then it became falling. The stock keeps falling, and we are seeing this last 2 weeks consolidating sideways. Today it's at $9.03, up 5.12%. ARK's Big Ideas 2021 listed BNGO as a disruptive, innovative company. I believe that soon ARK's ETF ARKG will include BNGO, which will lead to a surge of its share price. In the disruptive innovation slide that ARK was given, the genomic toolkit is expanding to provide a fuller, richer, and more accurate view into biology, and this includes optical mapping, bionanogenomics, NAPSIS. Following BioNano's presentation at Oppenheimer's annual healthcare conference, firm analyst Kevin DeGeeter recommended to buy BNGO. BNGO is a name that a few knew about a year ago. However, the life sciences company's profile and share price has increased significantly in recent months, as interest has grown around its genome imaging system, Sapphire, and how it can shape the world of cytogenetics. Bionanogenomics is also present at Maxim Group's Emerging Growth Conference on March 17th to 19th, 2021. You know that such small cap pharmaceutical companies present at well-known conferences will usually boost its share stock price. Keep an eye on it closely the next couple days. TipRanks gives the share price target of $14.33, which is 61% higher than the current share price. Now I would like to analyze another small cap pharmaceutical company, Contrafect Corporation, ticker symbol CFRX. Contrafect Corporation is a clinical stage biotechnology company that focuses on the discovery and development of therapeutic protein and antibody products for the treatment of life-threatening and drug-resistant infectious diseases. Its lead product candidates consist of CF301, an investigational novel lysine, which is in phase 3 clinical trials for the treatment of Staphylococcus aureus bacteremia, including endocarditis caused by methicillin resistance or methicillin susceptible. Looking at the Contrafect website very quickly, disruptive anti-infective technologies, we are concerned about the pipelines of these drugs. These are the programs: Exibicase, CF296, CF370, Amarins, GN lysins, and GP lysins. We have the pathogen discovery, preclinical trial, phase 1, phase 2, and the Exibicase is almost in phase 3 with this one in phase 1. We are looking at several products that are in clinical trials, which is a good sign. On March 11, 2021, Contrafect announced an $86.8 million contract with the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority that will support the ongoing Phase 3 DISRUPT, or direct lysis of Staph aureus resistant pathogen trial, which is excellent news for the company. Unfortunately, the company did a public offering which made its share price drop from $6.22 to $5.33. Looking at the chart, we can see that the direct offering happened around here and then quickly dropped all the way down to the low as $4.40. So huge drop here. Big spike here at March 11th when it was up 25%. And also here March 12th where it reached the high of $7.63. Today is currently trading at $5.03, down 1.95%. TipRanks gives CFRX a $14.75 share price target. CNBC's For Analysts gives a buy rating. And finally, CNN Business share price target ranges from $12 to $22, as compared to the current share price of around $5. That's it for today's videos. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what your thoughts about BNGO, SENS, and the new stock CFXR. Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear on your opinion. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.